All of these images were created with MidJourney and creative prompts generated by ChatGPT. Today, I'll show you this new, creative and iterative process. Hello everyone, my new video has just started, so please watch carefully to learn, and then you can create awesome images using this process. It's really easy to do actually. You don't have to do much at all because artificial intelligence can do everything for you. The prompts are floating. Just copy the prompt and paste it into MidJourney. I want to change the prompts to create different types of images. No, these are too long. I will rewrite my sentence. Yes, that's better. Paste it again. I've just opened a new page and I want to create a new prompt from ChatGPT for new images. Paste it again. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.